I'm getting a divorce, y'all. So listen, if you're in the US and you're looking for business marriage, hit me up.
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only per pressure, I'm gonna. What time it hard for carry on? You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, on the journey so far.
Welcome, Success Family, my enlightened keepers of Owen Allen Media, alongside our new arrivals to the channel. Crissy Carter, widely known as CMR, has been released from Orange County Corrections in Florida. Following his arrest on November 2nd by the Apopka Police Department officers, a search of the Orange County Corrections database confirmed that CMR was no longer listed as an inmate. CMR was released on bail after a bond of $7,500 was set on Sunday. So while CMR did attend a court appearance shortly after, the details of his proceedings remain undisclosed. I don't have to remind my subscribers and viewers that this case has sparked huge public debate and interest, with rumors swirling about who posted bail. Many people speculating that it was CMR wife Crissy. Crissy has stood by CMR through previous infidelities, but this latest incident places her in an even more difficult position, forcing her to make what could be a life-altering decision. Should Crissy file for divorce or not? You let me know in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Now, another troubling rumor suggests that the alleged victim is the daughter of a woman CMR had been unfaithful with, and according to these reports, this woman, with the help of her daughter, allegedly accessed CMR phone and discovered incriminating images, leading to the involvement of law enforcement, the police. So I see some people saying, why are we not talking about the victim? It is important to bear in mind that the alleged victim is a child, and discussing her further beyond the necessary need would be irresponsible and insensitive, and that is not what Owen Allen Media is trying to do. The child is innocent in this situation and deserves respect and privacy. The focus, however, shifts to Crissy, having endured public humiliation multiple times due to CMR previous affairs. As I said, Crissy must now come to terms with the type of person she is involved with. The question many people are asking is, will Crissy continue to stand by her husband, or will she finally decide that enough is enough? Now, this latest incident is not just one about infidelity but potential criminal behavior, making the stakes much higher. When will CMR learn? Youth. All we can do right now is wait for CMR next court appearance, and it's clear to me that this situation already impacting both his family and his public reputation, because people are dragging him in the streets. And you have a few people saying innocent until proven guilty. I am going to say what Crissy does next could set the tone for her future and the legacy she wishes to leave for her children, right? As more details emerge, the gravity of this sad situation will become even more clearer, and we will continue to update you guys on this situation. So RT boss and a lady,
it's between 12 and 15, even though it's the same minor, but
RT.
Yeah.
Yesterday, me the panel live yesterday, and I watch and I'm wife daughter, you know, is a next lady. Cause when them a question the lady, she say 2 years she and him they together. She have her daughter at the house. But what I blame the lady, she say most of the time the little girl going to the bathroom. When the little girl come out of the bathroom, she not have on no towel.
And it also can be
lady daughter. And she attack. It's like she and CMR did in a some consultation, like pulling up on something. But she say CMR leave out of the house, and when him leave out of the house, like CMR leave him phone. Him leave him phone in the house, right? So the little girl telling him, like, when she take it up, she can't pull the phone. And the little girl said to her, say, Mommy, me can't pull the phone. And when the little girl pull the phone, he must see picture with the little girl. We don't have on no clothes. But she said the little girl always going to the bathroom, and when she come out of the bathroom, the little girl not have on no towel nor then. So they say people let me cuss her up on the live, and I say what kind of outer is that? You're not supposed to do that, because remember say is a man you're having at the house and is not the child father. So you're not supposed to make a little girl come out of the bathroom without clothes. You're supposed to carry a towel or carry her clothes in the bathroom once you have visitor in the house.
It should even have phone. It should even have phone, mama.
It is a regular thing the little girl always do, because like our family member them.
Kill this mama to my way. Listen.
It's like our family member them, like our cousin, and so them always come on there the house and. But she even got to a part where she even say when she a go away at daytime, when she a gone away, she leave the little girl in the house with CMR. So why you fit do that? And she said she get molested when she's small. When she did small, she get molested by her family, her father.
This coming from generation curse. It's a hand down from you to your picnic.
So it them and say why she leave the little girl in there? She wrong.
Right.
She didn't call live yesterday at talk.
Let me ask you a question. Let me speed up. So you have the information, but I want to get to the point. She never talk like one, tripping one, nothing one. What she talk like? What evidence she try to she have funny?
No, she talk like say him, you know, him a take the little girl picture, nude and them something there. Cause like a dad she see in the phone, you know, it's like no sexing or nothing like that. It's just picture.
Alright, so it's a court case where I have to go win, but here we go look a problem when me that chat about earlier. Me give back the floor. I am saying there's a previous part where him have that charge where touching already.
Yes.
And now him have this touching and touching again. Him only need prior. No, in a situation like this, we can't speculate on people because none of we never did it and it can't happen to anybody, but the law just said the man look like a pervert. So we just have to say pervert with wonder how it work out then. We can't chastise him because, let me tell you this, people wicked too, you know, we not cover for the man, you know, but you all understand, say, people wicked and him have some look of bad behavior and maybe because of the bad behavior, this one I just bring him down because of people just judging bad behavior.
I feel like says it's like him a try pull up with the mother. Why? Me I feel wonder if a true him or the mother, because it's like she and him have a confrontation, you know, and like him get fed up and like him tell her say yeah, he over and him are left. But I just we are him ignorant and come out of the house. I saw him end up leave the phone.
Crissy's fan said she tried to warn her.
Alright, you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
This morning, everybody. This is my issue with the situation, right? From last year, I keep texting Crissy under her live. If anybody go under the pages with CMR videoing the little girl, go under all the kids page with CMR and see where you keep seeing me texting that Crissy, CMR, you need to stop putting the camera on the little girl's ass. Look on the videos. I keep telling you from last year, I keep texting that it makes me feel uncomfortable. Every time you see him videoing those kids, he's focused on that little girl's ass. And I said to my husband that, listen, I don't like the feel of this. And especially when CMR comes out and said, oh, she can get anything she wants. Nobody's taking notice of how much he was grooming that kid. He's been doing this for time, and I've been seeing it on the live, and I keep telling them.
We don't know if it's someone in his house or if it's a stranger.
Sweetheart, my sister is a cop, and I'm telling you, that's his stepdaughter that he got into. That's no allegation. This is no allegation.
Record is out there. They're gonna put
who spoke with the victim's mother speak out on the situation and take it with a grain of salt.